Hi everyone, this is Jeannie Ellis, also known as Scrapbooking Mamo. And today I want to share with you a design team project for tailor-made cards for you called From the Paper Pack, a digital paper pack called Gone Fishing. It's a Father's Day passport kit and it is just wonderful papers. So I'm not real certain yet what going to do, but I've got an idea and I hope that you will like it. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Okay, I have a pile of papers here now. I've got all those papers cut out, and I cut out a card. This is 4.5 by 5, I believe. 4.5 by 5.5. And so what I'm going to do now is just kind of decorate it and see what I come up with. I've got so many different images, and you can make so many different things with this. And so what I'm going to do is start out with a mounting piece on here. So since this card is 4.5 by 5.5, I'm going to make this 4.25 by 5.25. So let me get my trimmer out. Let's see, make sure I get the right way of where I want this. Sometimes they go this way and sometimes they go that way, and I like it this way. So I'm going to do this 4.25 this way. Okay, so this is going to be a 4.25 by 5.25, and I thought, let's see, I thought I'd use my distress tool and distress the edges here. And I can do that with the foundation part of the card too if I want to. Okay, so I've distressed the edge of it, and I'm going to go ahead and tape this down onto my paper using my ATG and try to get some of these other papers out of my way here. I told you all, if you've been listening to me for very long or at all, I am a messy crafter. But hey, that's okay. Gets the job done, and I do clean up, so believe it or not. Okay, put this in the center. And I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and put, I think I'm going to cut that part of it out. Trim it out first. I have this piece of scrap. I'm going to see how it looks underneath here before I go any further with it. Maybe even, let's see, I had these pieces of paper I was going to use for another project, but they didn't come out being used after all, so. Just doesn't, it's not floating my boat right now. Let's try something else. I like to keep trying things until I find really what I would like to have. So let's just play with it for a little bit. So I'm going to fast forward all this while you watch me play, and you can fast forward that if you want to, so that's okay. Okay, I have finished my card. I've used most of the items. I just had a few, like 3 pieces left in some of the other paper scraps from it. But this is what I've come up with. And so this is my Father's Day card. I'm going to enforce it a little bit more there. And I've done several different layers as you saw in the video. And then I open it up and I put, because here it says gone fishing. I want to make sure you see that. Gone fishing, open up, and there he is fishing. So then I put some little, you see it's a photo tag, so that way photos can be put on the back side of these. And I use part of the paper for a pocket, and there you have it. Now I could put something on the back here if I want to, like no fishing, or use one of these other pieces. I have an extra piece of, let me see. Yeah, an extra piece of this I had cut out, and I could put that on the back if I want to. In fact, I may do that. And if I do, I'll just show it in the video. So there you have my card. It's all finished. I just needed to stress here. I said it's all finished, but I do need to do a little bit more as far as the stress around the edge. And if I want to, I may add that. But I'll put finished photos at the end. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this will inspire you to get some of these papers yourself, because these are just fantastic. I'm not very good at doing masculine cards, but I'm happy with the way this one came out. So thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.